Hi, boys and girls. For this activity, it is extra practice of lesson 6 that we completed in math. So we've been learning about comparing numbers using these 3 symbols. So think about Andy or Allie the alligator and what they want to eat. Remember, they always want to eat the bigger number. So letter A, 43 is blank to 35. So in this circle, you're going to fill in using one of these symbols. If it helps you first to circle which number is bigger, go ahead and circle the bigger number and then fill in the symbol that compares the two numbers. Letter B, 60 is blank to 86. Fill in the symbol in the circle to compare the two numbers. Again, if you want to circle the bigger number first to help you figure out the symbol, go ahead and do that. Letter C, 10 tens is blank to 99. Letter D, 5 tens, 4 ones is blank to 54. E, 7 tens, 9 ones is blank to 9 tens, 7 ones. F, 1 10, 3 ones is blank to 31. G, 3 tens, 0 ones is blank to 2 tens, 10 ones. And the last one, H, 3 tens, 5 ones is blank to 2 tens, 17 ones. On the back, number 2, fill in the correct words from the box to make this sentence true. Use the 3 symbols and numbers to write a true statement. So in this box, this is a word box that gives you the words that you're going to use down below. Is greater than, is less than, or is equal to. So you're going to use this word box to help you fill in the problems below. So letter A, 42 is blank to 110, 2 ones. So if you need to draw a picture to help you figure it out, do that or use your cubes. Once you have figured it out, circle the number that's greater and then pick out which words would make sense to make this statement true. 42 is greater than 110, 2 ones. 42 is less than 110, 2 ones. Or is 42 equal to 110, 2 ones? So go ahead, pause the video if you need to, and write the words from this box that makes this statement true. Since there is a word box, you should be spelling these words correctly. After you have done that, then down here you're going to write the numbers to make the statement true. Fill in the symbol in the circle. Letter B, you're going to do the same thing. 6 tens, 7 ones is blank to 5 tens, 17 ones. So again, use the word box to help you fill in the correct words. Is greater than, is less than, or is equal to. And then on the bottom lines, write the numbers and then fill in the symbol. Letter C, 37 is blank to 73. Use the words from the word bank to fill in to make it true. Then use these numbers to fill in on the lines and write the symbol that goes in between. Letter D, 2 tens, 14 ones is blank to 4 ones, 2 tens. Figure out which one's greater, circle it if that helps you, and then use the words from the word bank to write on the lines. Then write what those numbers are, and then fill in the numbers or the symbol, to compare that. And the last one, E 9 ones, 5 tens is blank to 9 tens, 5 ones. Use the words from the word bank to fill in to make the statement true. Then write the numbers on the line. So 9 ones, 5 tens is what number? 9 tens, 5 ones is what number? And then draw the symbol to compare.